place and location. In. The keys are in my bag. The keys are in my bag. On. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. She is at the bus stop. She is at the bus stop. Under. The shoes are under the bed. The shoes are under the bed. Over. The lamp hangs over the table. The lamp hangs over the table. Next to. The supermarket is next to the bank. The supermarket is next to the bank. Between. The park is between two buildings. The park is between two buildings. Behind. The car is parked behind the house. The car is parked behind the house. In front of. He is standing in front of the school. He is standing in front of the school. By. There's an empty chair here. Come and sit by me. There's an empty chair here. Come and sit by me. Time. The train arrives at 5 p.m. The train arrives at 5 p.m. On. We'll meet on Monday. We'll meet on Monday. In. I was born in July. I was born in July. Since. She has been here since morning. She has been here since morning. For. I waited for 2 hours. I waited for 2 hours. During. We were quiet during the movie. We were quiet during the movie. By. Finish this by tomorrow. Finish this by tomorrow. Until. Wait here until 6 p.m. Wait here until 6 p.m. After. We'll eat after the meeting. We'll eat after the meeting. Before. Let's talk before lunch. Let's talk before lunch. Direction and movement. To. We're going to the park. We're going to the park. Into. She walked into the room. She walked into the room. Onto. He climbed onto the roof. He climbed onto the roof. Out of. He went out of the house. He went out of the house. Toward. She moved toward the exit. She moved toward the exit. Through. We walked through the tunnel. We walked through the tunnel. Across. The store is across the street. The store is across the street. Along. They strolled along the beach. They strolled along the beach. The cat climbed up the tree. The cat climbed up the tree. Down. He ran down the stairs. He ran down the stairs. Cause and purpose. Because of. He was late because of traffic. He was late because of traffic. Due to. The match was cancelled due to rain. The match was cancelled due to rain. For. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. With. Write the letter with a pen. Write the letter with a pen. About. This book is about history. This book is about history. Of. The roof of the house is red. The roof of the house is red. By. This painting was made by a famous artist. This painting was made by a famous artist. As. He works as a teacher. He works as a teacher. From. This gift is from John. This gift is from John. Like. She runs like a professional athlete. She runs like a professional athlete. Comparison and relationship. Then. She is taller than her brother. She is taller than her brother. With. I agree with your idea. I agree with your idea. Against. They fought against injustice. They fought against injustice. Of. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. On behalf of. I'm speaking on behalf of my team. I'm speaking on behalf of my team. Instead of. Let's go out instead of staying in. Let's go out instead of staying in. According to. According to the weather report, it will rain. According to the weather report, it will rain. Apart from. Apart from English, he speaks French. Apart from English, he speaks French. Without. I can't live without my phone. I can't live without my phone. Among. The secret was shared among friends. The secret was shared among friends.